Welcome everybody, it's your boy Rome. Welcome back to the channel. Just want to say thank you again for your support. Thank you for your love. This is going to be a short one. Just want to talk about Manchester United, the results, the games that's coming up, and what we can do in moving forward to see if we can solidify a top four spot, possibly challenge for the title. Clear thing right now is that we can see the results have been in our favor recently, starting from the Chelsea to Villarreal to Arsenal nowadays, so we can work on that and move forward. Had the first game there, and you can see that the changes were made in the game to affect the game, right? It wasn't an 80-minute change or 85-minute change. It was more of a gradual change. Like Sandro came off at 55 minutes, and Rashford came off later as well. So you can see that the changes were made in the time that it was needed to affect the game, and it was good. Just want to say big up to Oliver and Solskjaer for building this team. Just want to say thank you for all the stuff that you have done. You've obviously, I feel like you've done as best as you can in the time that you had, and much respect to you. I know it's time to move on. I'm pretty sure the club owes you a lot, plentiful, even though you have done so much for the club, and the club has done so much for you. So we have a few games coming up, like young boys in the Champions League, and then others. I think the run that we're gonna have now between now December and January should feel us good for a nice run in the title race. Because what happens is we have maybe about 10, 11 games where it's nothing but winnable games, very winnable games. And we can do that if we just challenge ourselves and be determined and be collective as well. Because we know we have the talent in the team. It's just getting the team to a place where we can compete and play competitively in the game. Now, it's going to be tough. The first couple of games, the next 2-3 games, is going to be tough, especially with Radnick bringing his new team, picking the players that he wants to play and stuff. But the idea behind that is to make sure that he knows what he wants, and he's going to get what he wants as long as the player apply himself and literally play to the way they want him to play. We're going to have Pogba for the rest of the season. I'm hoping he comes back injury-free and ready to play again. Varane is going to be injury-free in a week. Cavani is going to be injury-free in a week as well. So looking forward to see them play and help the team as much as possible, because again, we're going up the table, and the only way we can go up the table is if we apply ourselves effectively in the game after game after game. And before we get to the end of the show, I just want to say thank you again for supporting. Thank you for coming through and showing love and everything. So I'll be amiss to end the show without tappa whitmore. It's not going to be that big of a deal again, because everyone talks about JFF keeps saying they're going to fire him or they're not going to fire him or whatnot. The whole point to me is this: he's not a coach. He's never a coach. He was never a coach, and they should fire him. Why haven't they fired him yet? I don't know, but I do know that they need to fire him for the next 6 games, or we won't have the World Cup. I hope Jamaica won't be playing the World Cup. Simple as that. Thank you guys for supporting. Thank you for subscribing. Best of yourself. Manaz.